Hi, Robin Rose here. Just decided spontaneously to do this little video to show you welcome to my morning, a piece of my morning. So I'm going to carry us over to sort of the end of the story in a way. Well, it's always the middle of the story. So this is grapevine. Oops, here we go. Grapevine, right, hanging. I put this lattice up on the ceiling, and then I can put lots of herbs hanging from it. So now come with me to the kitchen. I was weeding because the grape was going up around the birch tree. So I just wanted to show you, it's in permaculture they call stacking functions. When you are making more, you do one thing and it serves three things or five things or 10 things. And this is an herbalist life because everything I do seems to make more work. So, but the work is also beneficial. So now, for example, some of those grape leaves are not hanging to dry for medicine, but they are going into my breakfast. And you see this beautiful red in the stalk, right? That is how, and also look at how the little tendrils are. That's what can take trees down. These little spiraling tendrils grasp around things very firmly. But what they do in the body is they um, uh, energize and help support the blood flow through the veins, particularly. So I'm going to, here, I'll show you. I'm going to take my favorite knife, my ulu knife, and I'm going to chop these up. And they're delicious, by the way. The typically I would only put the leaves into my food, or maybe I'm stuffing grape leaves. But when the stalks are young and very flexible still, then you can, eat them as is raw, or what I'm doing is I am going to add them, come with me over here, into this wonderful pot. And in this pot is the fruits of my morning gathering and weeding. So in there is, let's see, garlic mustard, violet leaves, lots of nettles. I'm buzzing from picking the nettles, which has helped reduce inflammation in my hands over years of time. So that's a wonderful reason why when people ask me, why do you pick nettles barehanded? Why do you teach us to pick nettles barehanded? That's why, because it will keep you more pain-free as you grow older and less inflammation in your joints. There's also some leeks in that pot that I bought in the store. It's sauteing in olive oil, and soon when the nettles cook down enough so that the sting is completely removed, then I will add an egg and some herbs and have a wonderful breakfast. So let's see, was there anything else I wanted to tell you? Weeding makes food and medicine. For an herbalist, young grape leaves and stalks are wonderful to eat. And then the whole grape plant is beautiful medicine. I like to put it up in vinegar um, to put on externally on tired legs, on varicose veins, or broken capillaries. It's also delicious just to eat it in an infused vinegar. And I have zillions of recipes and ways to use plants and learn about plants in The Gift of Healing Herbs, my second book. And just because I know someone will ask me when they see it on YouTube, this wonderful, let's see, how did I do this? This wonderful shirt. No, there we go. There we go. This wonderful shirt, for that matter, the wonderful skirt as well, which, no, all right, I'm going to give up on the skirt, is from Taproot Threads. No commercial interest from me, just everybody loves their clothes, and somebody would ask me, so I'm answering you ahead. You can find them on Etsy. And let's see, anything else I wanted to tell you? Wild food is so good for increasing your vibrancy and your vital energy and your assimilable minerals, which truly, truly, truly help your nervous system so much. And we all need that. So So there you go. Robin Rose Bennett sharing some plant medicine, some big little herbal tips with you from my kitchen this morning. Hmm. Ah, yes. Okay. Green blessings. Take good care.